supposed to feel like dying, looking for my golden ticket, can't find no silver lining. And these days 9 to 5 feels more like 25 to life, and trying to make a living isn't supposed to feel like dying. I punch the clock, wanna punch a ticket to New York and punch the boss, but they don't pay enough for me to cover that cost, so I punch the sheetrock instead.